So how do bots receive messages? It's a fun mystery. Official documents hit you with jargon like this, which is very confusing for beginners. So let's skip all this jargon and ask one fundamental question. When I say hello or when we click on that start button, how does Telegram know? Imagine you're waiting for a letter. In Telegram, there are only two ways to get it. The number one method is polling. Your bot walks to the mailbox to check. It checks again and again until it gets a letter. Well, polling means your bot consistently asks Telegram if there's anything new. Now, the second method is called webhooks. Now, webhooks, just think of it as a mail carrier handing you the letter directly. You don't have to check a thing in the mailbox. Instead of asking, Telegram automatically pings your bot. That is super easy, right? So it's just like a road trip. Polling is the annoying kid asking, are we there yet? Are we there yet? Webhooks is the driver updating you. Beginners don't like polling, but it's actually the perfect way to start learning for beginners locally. We're not covering all these confusing server terms, so for now, don't think about those advanced deployment stuff. So back to our code. This exact simple line here is the reason our bot polls. But what do you think will happen if we remove this line? The bot will completely stop listening because it will stop asking Telegram for updates. So the simple model is polling ask, webhooks are told. So you can definitely memorize that. So let's put this into a little bit of practice. Let's say we delete this line, this polling line. Let's see if our bot will run. Let's see if this theory actually is real. And you can see the bot was running and immediately stopped. Why? Because it was done doing what it was supposed to do. But since there was no polling, it could not keep asking Telegram for updates. So it just ran this, and since there was nothing to do again, it finished. That's why polling is important. So our bot keeps asking Telegram for updates. So let's say I put that back. Remember, Control Z to undo, Control S to save. So let's try it again and see if it's going to work. And you can see it's running now and it did not stop. That's because it is polling. Remember what we say polling is? It is checking. It is checking again and again. Is there any messages? Is there any task? That's the importance of polling. We'll see you in the next one.